Hi, welcome to Pinterest Network. Today we're going to be making Koodles. That's zucchini. We made it spirally with a apple core.
Cook them.
Yeah.
Put them there. We're going to drop them in some water.
We're going to put them in water, boiling water,
So they're tender.
till they're tender. And how much oil are we supposed to put in there?
I don't know, where's the recipe?
Okay, here we go. Dang it! I got it. Went completely on me.
Did you even take the water?
Oh wait, now I remember. 4 tablespoons of oil. Yeah.
You got 10 oil.
I am. I was putting 4 tablespoons of olive oil in here.
Which one of these?
It doesn't say, it just says juice of 1 lemon.
Oh, put it.
Yeah. I sprinkled some garlic into the olive oil. Mix that together. Now I got it with a spoon. Now I'm going to drizzle this over our tomatoes. Yes, we're going to roast this for 15 minutes. Do you have a napkin? Or something? I got all of them. What? I'm going to try to. I don't know how. I'm about to take these tomatoes out of the oven. We've got a few seconds left.
She's going to start with the noodles. She's going to put them in the little bowls that we have here. We've got to put them in. Okay. Then we put feta cheese. And some people like a lot of feta cheese, and other people do not. So you can really just put that at your taste. That's what we're going to do. You just crumble it up and put it on. A little bit more.
That good?
Alright, now we're going to mix up the lemon juice, the honey, and the olive oil.
We're going to roll it. Okay. Okay, try this one a little bit before I use it.
This is going to be the salad dressing that we use for this. It calls for juice of a lemon, but we do not have lemon, so we're improvising using lemon juice, which it will do the same. And we're going to estimate what the juice of a lemon would be.
I'm just going to use this cup.
No. You don't need more of that, baby.
We can add more if we need to.
What? Right now, I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of olive oil while she mixes. And we're about ready for the tomatoes to go on top.
Does it look good?
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over with tomatoes. And I'm going to take something to get them up. You can use anything. I'm choosing this so that some of the juice and olive oil will drain out. Then we put these on top. Just place them so that it'll be easier to toss them when we get ready. Because when we put our dressing on here, we will toss them. Now we just need to drizzle. Whoops. We got a tomato. There you go.
Now I put the dressing on now?
Yes, drizzle. Now, Lindsay's going to drizzle the dressing on. Whoops, you didn't drizzle.
Well, I tried.
That's okay. What we're going to do now anyway is just toss it to try to get all the... Go ahead, Lindsay. To get all the stuff covered up in it. It's a very simple recipe, but it will be good, and it's very nutritious for you. There's very little fat. Olive oil is, one of the best oils you can use for any kind of cooking. Alright, we're ready to plate this up.
We got.
You got to throw that stuff away, Mom.
You're too quick. I guess I would normally try to clean up as I go.
Alright, you want to do it or you want me to do it?
I'll do it.
Dip it into make sure that you get tomatoes and everything in there.
Okay.
Right, you gotta make it
So,
move.
stick in. That's going to be smooth and put on top.
There we go.
Maybe it's chicken. Maybe we should just use a spoon or something to get it out.
I'll do the other bowl.
Okay.